This video is brought to you by theskillmodeler.com. Let's jump right back into it. The body was painted black and the interior received its main color of light gray. My seats have inserts in a darker gray, so I painted those with some Vallejo dark gray. Interior in my car has black carpet, and I actually thought of doing it in flocking, but I thought that would be a bit out of scale, so flat black would be just fine. I chose some Vallejo NATO black, which is just black. I went around all the edges on the clear parts with a permanent black marker to give it a bit more depth. some of you might know, I did a video on painting the mirror caps on my cars in some gray a couple of months ago, maybe it's even a year ago, not sure. So of course these needed to be gray as well. I chose to do this in some bellow gunmetal. The body also received some silver details in the tail lights and on the indicators on the side. The real car has some plastic black mesh in the front grille, so these of course also needed to be painted in flat black to simulate the real car. All the details painted on, it was time to start assembling it. I started off with putting in the clear parts. I left some fingerprints on the inside of the glass, so these were removed with a Q-tip. Both headlights were put back in. Front grille was put back in as well. And the headlight lenses were glued in with some Revell Contact Clear. The handbrake, seats, and gear lever were glued back in with some super glue along with the dashboard. The interior all finished up, it was time to put that back into the body along with the chassis. With the chassis screwed on, some final details like the license plates were put in, and finally the antenna was put on, and that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick build video series. I am planning on doing some more in the future, but I'm not really sure on that when those will happen. So in the meantime, that's it for now. See you guys next week with a new project video. Don't forget to check out thescalemodeler.com. This is my online web shop. I'm selling zero paints, scale production, and C1 models goodies. Also, head over to Facebook and check us out, give us a like, and to keep updated with our in-between projects like these. Questions or suggestions, shoot us an email or post a comment. And of course, as always, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time.